In this video, we'll show you how to change the throttle body on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F-150 Car Battery. To change the throttle body on your vehicle, you need to remove the air intake system. Remove the air intake boot. To do this, simply pull on it. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, pull on the red tab and remove the connector. Unclip the breather. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the hose. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the bolts holding the airbox to its supports. Remove the airbox. Remove the rubber protection. Disconnect the first throttle body connector. To do this, use a small screwdriver to push the red locking tab. Then push on the tab and pull on the connector. Then remove the second connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Protect the air intake system by plugging it with a glove to prevent impurities from polluting the system. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body in place. Then remove it. Remove the used gasket. You can use a hook. Then clean the impurities at the gasket with a paper towel. Take the new gasket. Put the gasket back in place. You can order the throttle body used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new throttle body. Install the new throttle body. Tighten the bolts by hand. Then tighten them until it makes contact with the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Put the rubber protection back on. Reconnect the second connector. Put the airbox back in place. Then screw it back on. Replace the breather. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Then lock it. Replace the air intake duct. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.